In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a blank page in Microsoft Word. Blank pages usually show up because of hidden formatting marks, page breaks, or section breaks. We'll clean them up quickly and safely so you don't break your document's layout. Start by turning on formatting marks so you can actually see what's causing the extra page. Go to the Home tab and click the Show Hide button. It looks like a paragraph symbol. You'll now see little Pilcrow marks for empty paragraphs and gray labels for things like page break or section break. Click anywhere on the blank page. If you see a bunch of empty paragraph marks, drag to select them and press Delete or Backspace until the page disappears. If the page doesn't go away, look for the word Page Break. Select that break and delete it. Still stuck? You might be dealing with a section break. It will read Section Break, Next Page, Odd Page, or Even Page. Deleting a section break can change headers, footers, or page numbering, so do this carefully. If removing it shifts your formatting, undo the change and try converting it instead. Place the cursor just after the break. Go to the Layout tab, choose Breaks, and switch it to Continuous. That keeps your sections but removes the forced new page. Another common cause is a table at the very end of your document. Word requires a paragraph after a table, and that tiny paragraph can push a new page. Click in that empty paragraph just below the table, select it, and reduce the font size to 1 point. Then open Paragraph Settings and set spacing before and after to 0, and line spacing to exactly 1 pt. That usually pulls the text back so the blank page disappears. If you prefer a visual way to hunt down the extra page, open the navigation pane from the View tab. Switch to the Pages view, click the thumbnail of the blank page, and press Delete. If it won't delete, it's likely caused by a break you need to remove or convert as described earlier. Finally, if your document is set up for odd or even page sections, an odd page break can intentionally insert a blank page. Change that break to Continuous or Next Page to avoid the automatic blank. When the blank page is gone, turn off the Show Hide button to return to a clean view. Save your document and you're done. With formatting marks and a few quick tweaks, you can reliably remove any blank page without messing up your layout.